Vivo Y51, 2020, with 8GB RAM, triple rear cameras launched. Price, specifications. Vivo Y51, 2020, has been launched in Indonesia as the latest smartphone offering from the company. This model is strikingly different than the previous Vivo Y51, 2020, variant launched in Pakistan in September this year. The new Vivo Y51, 2020, variant has arrived with a different design and different specifications. It is unclear why Vivo would want to introduce two different handsets under the same moniker. In any event, the new Vivo Y51, 2020, model comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, whereas the variant launched in September came with a 4,500 mAh battery. Vivo Y51, 2020, price. The new Vivo Y51, 2020, is priced at 3,599,000 Indonesian rupiahs, roughly 18,800 rupees, in Indonesia for the lone 8GB plus 128GB storage model. It is being offered in titanium sapphire and crystal symphony color options. The handset is currently up for pre-orders on shopee.co.id with offers including a 30% discount voucher from Video, a bundled Vivo smartwatch, and more. Vivo Y51, 2020, specifications, features. The dual-SIM Vivo Y51, 2020, runs on Android 11 based FunTouchOS 11. It features a 6.58-inch Full HD+, 1,080x2,408 pixels, LCD display. This is slightly larger than the Vivo Y51, 2020, model launched in September. The new variant is powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC but packs 8GB RAM, instead of the 4GB RAM found on the Pakistan variant. The phone offers internal storage of 128GB with the option to expand further via microSD card, up to 1TB. The new Vivo Y51, 2020, variant has a triple camera setup with a different camera module design on the back. It features a 48-megapixel primary sensor coupled with f/1.79 lens, an 8-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide f/2.2 lens, and a 2-megapixel additional shooter with f/2.4 lens. The camera app comes with features such as slow-motion recording, super night mode, and night filter. At the front, the phone has a 16-megapixel selfie snapper with f/2.0 aperture. There is a 5,000 mAh battery on the new Vivo Y51, 2020, smartphone with 18 watts fast charging support. In contrast, the previous Vivo Y51, 2020, houses a 4,500 mAh battery with support for 18 watts fast charging. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, GPS, USB OTG, and more. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and is just 8.38 mm thick. The weight of Vivo Y51, 2020, is listed to be at 188 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.